Hey everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix YouTube auto dubbing if it is not working on your phone or PC. If you try to changing the language but it still doesn't see option, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my step to fix the problem. First, go to the YouTube Studio and click on the setting option. Now go to the defaults. Now click on the advanced setting. Scroll down and go to the automatic dubbing section. Now check the allow automation dubbing is checked. If it unchecked, then check it and save. After doing this step, check the problem. If it persists, then next is go to the three dot button on this and click on the settings. Now click on the privacy and security. Scroll down and go to the delete browsing data. Now go to the advanced section and select all times and select the browser history, download history and cookies and other site data and delete. After doing this step, check again the problem. If it persists, then next is check availability in your region. Auto dubbing is being rolled out gradually 2024 and 2025. If you don't see the auto audio track option in your videos, it will not be available in your. And the next is try different device or browser. So by this way you can fix the problem. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to the channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.